Hello everyone, welcome to Terraform for Beginners using Google Cloud Platform course on Udemy. In this course, you are going to learn Terraform along with GCP. Specifically, you will get started with Google Cloud Services. You will get familiar with Terraform basics. You will create databases, networks using Terraform in GCP, and you will learn Terraform basic commands with more in details. You will create Google Cloud Services not only in Terraform, but also you are going to create Google Cloud Services with Console. And the course requirements, you can see the basic understanding of GCP account. That would be really beneficial, but don't worry, in this course I'm going to show you how you can create Google Cloud Platform account as well. And you can see the description of the course. So to start with, why you need to learn Terraform and GCP. As we know that Terraform is a tool for developing, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. What is more, Terraform can manage existing and popular service providers as well as custom in-home solution, in-house solutions. Also, Terraform is the first multi-cloud immutable infrastructure tool that was introduced to the world by HashiCorp and written in Go. So learning Terraform with GCP is an amazing journey, especially if you are learning and working with Google Cloud Platform. Therefore, I created this course, this comprehensive course, Terraform for Beginners using Google Cloud Platform. So you can see the 70% of the course is practical and only 30% of the course is theory, but it's really helpful. And this course comes with the lifetime access to all course material, updates, quizzes, and some quizzes to test your understanding. And of course, 30-day money back guarantee. And who is this course for? Is for anyone who wants to learn Terraform with GCP, GCP developers, associate cloud engineers, junior DevOps engineers. So let's go to course content. You can see we are going to get started with understanding of infrastructure as a code, Terraform, and as we start installing Terraform, and we will start Terraform basics. You can see Terraform registry. We are going to learn about resource block, local provider, multiple resources, Terraform input variables, implicit and explicit dependencies, Terraform lifecycle rules. You can see Terraform data block, Terraform module block. We are going to learn in the next section, we are going to learn Terraform with GCP. We'll learn how to create a free trial account, and also we'll authenticate with GCP using username and password, GCP and Cloud Shell, and Terraform with GCP using service account. In the next section, we are going to learn the cloud storage with Terraform, and after that we'll start understanding Cloud VPC with Terraform, and we'll create some resource blocks on that. And after that we'll start with compute engine with Terraform. You can see app engine, and you can see Google Kubernetes engine, cloud run with Terraform, and also we are going to include cloud functions with Terraform. We'll see the databases and Cloud SQL spanner with Terraform. Of course, we also include NoSQL databases with Terraform, BigQuery with Terraform, and we are going to conclude our course with Cloud PubSub with Terraform. I tried my best to cover all the resources and all Terraform and Google Cloud services, and this course is only so far this course includes these services, but I have to mention the fact that I will work on my skills and update the course as much as I can, and you will see several new Google Cloud services and hands-on labs with Terraform. So basically, yes, in this course you will learn Terraform with GCP from scratch. So I hope this course will be helpful for you, and please don't forget to review my course, and see you in the next lecture.